Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 19th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, to forget your original religion is the biggest mistake of all. You now have to become free from making mistakes. Remember your home and your kingdom. Question. What stage of you children indicates that this time is coming to an end? Answer. When you children remain constantly intoxicated on the pilgrimage of remembrance, and when the wandering of your intellects comes to an end, when you have the power of remembrance in your words, and you stay in infinite happiness, when the scenes of your golden-aged world repeatedly appear in front of you, you can understand that that time is close. Destruction will not take a long time. Therefore, increase your chart of remembrance. Song is, having found you, we have found the whole world, the earth and the sky all belong to us. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Constantly maintain the intoxication that you will complete this study and change from ordinary humans into deities, the masters of the world. There will be everything in your kingdom, purity, peace and happiness. No one can snatch that away from you. Number 2. In order to go across from this side to that side, become a good swimmer on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Don't allow Maya to choke you. Check yourself and write your chart of remembrance by first understanding it correctly. Blessing for today. May you become knowledgeful and know the account of making effort and receiving the reward of it and move forward with speed. Details are: this is the time for creating your reward by making effort over a long period. Therefore, become knowledgeful and move forward with speed. Do not think in this that if not today, tomorrow, you will change. That is called carelessness. Until now, Bap Dada has been the ocean of love with the love of all relationships. While seeing and hearing about the children's carelessness and ordinary efforts, he has been giving extra marks and making you move forward. So, become knowledgeful and take the benefit of that special blessing. By maintaining courage, you thereby receive help. Slogan is, those who become the servants of matter are unhappy. Therefore, become conquerors of matter. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. At the time when someone is deep in an ocean, he cannot see anything but the ocean. To become merged in the Father, that is, in the ocean of all virtues, is known as the stage of being merged in love. So, you don't have to merge in the Father, but be merged in remembrance and love for the Father.